Welcome. If you've ever wondered where Facebook keeps a record of every relationship status you've ever set, you're in the right place. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find all your relationships on Facebook using the web version on your PC, following the latest update. Start by opening Facebook in your browser and making sure you're logged in. Once you're on your home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Click on Activity Log. This is your personal record of everything you've done on Facebook, organized by category. Inside the Activity Log, look to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of categories that help you filter your activities. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Personal Information. Click on it to expand the options underneath. Now, look for Profile Information and click on it. This will reveal a list of personal details you've added or updated on your profile over time. Scroll down through this list until you see Relationships. Click on Relationships. Facebook will now display a detailed history of all your relationship updates. This includes when you've marked yourself as single, in a relationship, engaged, married, or any other status, along with the dates these changes were made. You can even filter this list by date if you're looking for a specific update from the past. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've uncovered your entire relationship history on Facebook. This is especially useful if you want to revisit when you made a status public, or if you're cleaning up old profile information. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials on getting the most out of Facebook and other apps.